Hello everyone, and welcome again to How To with YOUDEVHUB. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to navigate our LMS and enjoy your learning in a seamless way. So we will be using our own inbuilt LMS designed by our engineers, our team of developers rather, to show you all you can achieve and all you can start to gain by using our own LMS. We don't want the training to be boring for you, so we are trying to make it as indigenous as possible. So the first thing you do is head down to your browser and type in our URL youdevhub.com.ng and click on enter, which brings you to the home page where you can see the home page just as it is. Right, so this is for the desktop version. I'll be doing another mobile version shortly also. So in the desktop, you can see you have the login and you have the join for free. So this join for free is assumed that you are new and you have not used or signed up here before. So if you want to sign up here, you can click on join for free and it brings you to sign in page, which requires just your name, your email address and your password to sign up, after which you will get an email welcoming you to YOUDEVHUB and giving you the following steps to continue. But if you already have an existing account with us, you can just click on login, which will just ask you to fill in your login details. I already have mine saved, so that's why you see these little pop-ups just showing that. So I click on it to put it in. Okay, it's asking for PIN because usually Google saves the password and all of that. So we have that, and I click on login. And it refreshes, showing me that I've logged in. Then if you notice, you'll discover that the login and the register has disappeared right here and also right here, and has been replaced with a profile which says my profile, my courses, and log out, which shows that you have been logged in. So basically, you can navigate to your courses using one of the following methods. You can either choose to come here and see all the courses you are already all the courses that exist. You can do that by coming here. You can choose to go to courses by selecting see all, or you can choose to come to courses by clicking or just hovering around this courses button here where you see your courses, and you can click on courses to take you to your courses where you can have a more view of all the courses that are available and even the ones you own. So if you can see up here, you see my courses, which shows that those are the courses you've already registered in, and you can go ahead and choose anyone to continue. So I'll be starting with introduction to data analysis. So I'm clicking on introduction to data analysis, and I'm seeing it here. I'm seeing the image, I'm seeing the brief introduction to it, seeing the prerequisites, and students taking this course is expected to be familiar with using the computer and the internet and researching resources online. And it's showing the numbers of lectures we have in this course, also showing the number of students that are currently enrolled for this course at this particular time. It's going to increase with yours on a different time based on different time. This is just a demo. And we have the modules that are already released. We have module 1 is already released with containing 4 videos. And you see the course instructor, the categories, and all of that. So you can go ahead and click on start learning, which will bring you to the index telling you that, oh, all right, hello everyone and welcome to YOUDEVHUB Learning Management System. This is just giving you a brief description on how to use it. So let's just cut to the chase and click on the first lesson here. So clicking on the first lesson here, we have the lesson. Yeah, this lesson has already been taken by me. That is why you have this check box and circle checked here, showing that I have taken this course, and that is why you can see the next lesson here. So if I click on next lesson, it takes me to the next lesson, which is lesson 2, saying why data analysis is a good choice for you. But if you notice here, you see a previous button, and you see a mark complete. So let's say, for instance, I click on this, and I actually watch this to the end. Let's say I haven't successfully completed watching it to the end. I can come and say mark complete. So if I mark complete, it shows that it has been completed, and immediately we can see that the lesson, there's already a check marks here, also checkmating to see that this has been complete, and the button now shows the next lesson. So I can click on the next lesson to go to the next lesson again, and thereabout I go on and on and on. So if I click on mark complete, also after watching this one, assume I've watched it, and I click on next again, and I click on mark complete, I can see that after the end, we see that since there's only 4 courses in this module, we can see that it's showing module complete. So that's just basically how to run through, and when you're done, you can either choose to go back to your courses by clicking here, or you can choose to proceed to any other place you want to be. So let me go to my profiles briefly and just talk about what we have in my profile. So my profile is also a brief summary of all you have. It shows you the courses you have, and from your profile you can choose on start learning and go to your courses directly. You can see quiz results. Once you start taking your quiz, you will see the result here for the number of weeks you've taken the quizzes for. You can choose to come and edit your profile. I can see I have my profile here, bio, I'm a software person, my phone number is here, my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter and LinkedIn account. I have my passport already fixed and all of that, and I can choose to save any of these changes, make changes to it and save it anytime I like. Also, you can choose to change your password and put your password, the current password given to you by YOUDEVHUB, and you can choose to replace it with anyone, put your password and confirm and save. So that's just basically a brief of how to navigate the LMS. You can come to see in our news center here. We have some news and some information that will pass around, and some articles we've written about a lot of stuffs, and you can just choose to watch anyone and view anyone and see anyone you want. How to become a successful freelance writer in Nigeria. This was posted in 2022 by let me see, okay, by author Ruth Adoga, and you can choose to share and like and like. So that's just basically a brief summary of how to navigate the LMS. I hope you enjoyed this session, and it's a great one. Thank you all for coming, and when you're done, you can click on log out to log out of the system and just become a viewer alone. So that's just briefly. Thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial.